Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Friday the 13th. So today I'm going to be doing a Jason Voorhees inspired makeup look. It's just going to be very easy glam, but with the mask markings on my face. I thought it'd be a lot of fun to do. I've always wanted to do something like this, and maybe every Friday the 13th I will kind of intensify it that much more with every time. But yeah, no, I thought it'd be a lot of fun to do. Always wanted to try it. And yeah, if you like to see how I do it, then just keep watching. Right, first things first, as you guys know, I like to prime my eyes, and I like to do it with my Tarte Shape Tape because that is the one I have on hand at this moment. All right, now that I have my concealer on, I'm just going to set it, and I'm going to set it with my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. And today I'm going to be using two different palettes today. I'm going to be going in with my tried and true, my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and also a little bit of the KVD Vegan Beauty eyeshadow palette. All right, first one I'm going to go in with is the Golden Ochre from the Anastasia palette, and I'm just going to put this all over my lid, like just messily slap it around. Next, I'm going into my KVD palette, and I'm just going to grab the shade right here. Next, I'm going to be going in with these two shades, which is Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange from the Anastasia palette. And again, I'm going to put it all over my lid and just a little lower in the crease. So with every shade, I'm going to be going lower and lower and lower just to have it more of a, like just a blown out, more smoky look. Alright, now I'm going to be taking the shade from the KVD palette and I'm going to put it all along my lash line. And now I'm going to go in with Red Ochre and put it over top and kind of flick up the outer corner a little bit. Now to intensify it a little bit more, I'm just going to take this black shade from the KVD palette and just put it right on the outer half of my lash line, just to darken it up a little bit. So now I'm going to go in with my primers. As you know, I use two. I'm using the Smashbox Primerizer and the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Sounds good. Now I'm going in with foundation, and the one that I'm using is my Bourjois Healthy Mix Serum Gel Foundation. Now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm just going to put it under my eyes and any other areas to kind of balance it out. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Maybelline Fit Me powder that I used earlier today. Now I'm going to be going in with my Essence Sun Club bronzer and just put that all over my face. All right, now I'm gonna go in with highlighter. I don't want like a beaming highlight because that's not what this makeup look is about. But I do want a little bit of a glow because I love a glow. So I'm gonna be going in with the Essence Be My highlight. Now I'm going to go in with my Satin Core blush from Essence just to kind of blend it all together. Now I'm going to set my face and I'm going to do it with my L'Oreal Pro Spray and Set. Alright, next is brows. I'm going to be using my Nude Sticks, my eyebrow stylus and gel in the shade Ash Brown. I'm not going to do it on camera. I promise I will film this soon. But in the meantime, I'm just going to do this real quickly and be right back. Alright, so now the brows are on. Now we're going to go back to the eyes. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to take both Golden Ochre from Anastasia and this guy from KVD Beauty. I'm just going to mix those two together and just put it all under my lash. Now I'm going back in with Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange and also putting that underneath my lash line. Alright, now I'm going to be going in with Red Ochre from Anastasia and this guy from KVD Beauty, and I'm just going to put it on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the shade Tempera from Anastasia and just put it on my inner corner as well as my brow bone. Alright, now that the eyeshadow is done, it's time for mascara. I'm going to be using my two that I always use, my Cils Booster XL and my Monsieur Big by Lancome. Again, not going to do it on camera. Will film a video very soon. Come back when my lashes are on. Alright, now we're going to move on to the lips. Alright, I'm going to put on my two lip liners that I always put on. One is Natural by NYX and the other is Mauve. For my red lips, I'm going to be using NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Monte Carlo. Such a beautiful shade. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now all that is on. Now it's time for the fun part, which is the more Jason Voorhees looking stuff. Yay! For the red paint on my face, I'm just going to use the liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to use the Stila in the shade Fiery. All right, now that the red lines are on my face, it's time now for the holes in the mask. I know it's gonna be a tricky one because it's black, but we'll figure it out. All right, now that I have the dots on my face, not in the exact spot where they're supposed to be, there's one missing, but this is but you guys get the gist, and so far I like it. All right, now I'm gonna set the dots with this black eyeshadow right here. Also to darken them, helps darken them up a bit, as well as set them so they don't move around. All right, now with everything on my face and seemingly ready to go, time to set my face with my Infallible Pro Spray and Set again. Well, this is it. This is my Friday 13th Jason Voorhees Glam makeup look. As you can see, I took away the dots that were on my chin. I just didn't think they were the perfect fit. But that's what makeup is all about. You can change it however you like. This is inspired. This is not exact. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you like this kind of stuff, and let me know if you'd like me to do more Friday the 13th inspired makeup looks. I want to do more, but just a little bit more intense every time I do it. So yeah, just let me know, and I can see if I can whip up another one for next Friday the 13th. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, love you. Bye!